Hey, welcome to another one of our episodes. One of our viewers last week said it's football season and we need to make some football food. Tammy's going to make
wings.
What kind of wings though?
They're going to be Mexican wings with tequila.
Yeah, tequila lime wings.
Tequila. And because of that, we're drinking margaritas.
And we're going to do them in this plow disc, right? Keeping in this whole Mexican theme. Now, my job today is I just have to fry, right? And
Yeah.
you're doing all the important stuff?
Well, frying's pretty important.
Well, but not like figuring out how to make them taste.
Well, if you burn them, they're going to taste bad.
I won't do that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
Okay.
So you guys stay with us.
So, again, I'm from Arizona, and we use different seasonings in Arizona than we do here in Florida. Some of the seasonings that we use are adobo, and we use this Sazon.
What is it? Sazon?
Sazon?
Where can I
I
get
don't know if
that?
that's really how you say it, but here, I'll put it the right side.
S-A-Z-O-N. Where do people get that?
Yeah, but it has like a different, one of those thingies.
A tilde.
A tilde. I'm glad you're educated. What does that make it do? A tilde.
I don't know.
You're supposed to be educated.
It may not even be a tilde. It might just be an accent.
Okay, whatever. So, we use these seasonings. And so that's what I'm going to use today. So, we're going to get these guys seasoned up.
Okay. I've got a pound of wings here. We cut the little tips off and cut them in half. So there's
Jeff cut them.
1,
So
2,
if they
3,
don't
4,
look
5, 6,
perfect,
7, 8, 9,
blame
10, 11,
Jeff.
12, 13, 14. There's 16 pieces.
It's just for Jeff and I, so we don't need a whole lot. All right.
Yeah, I'm not a butcher.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get these guys all seasoned up. And by the way, if you've never used this stuff, it smells so good. And it takes the place of like the cumin and your normal like chili powder or paprika. Any of the normal Hispanic seasonings. Or as Jeff would say, Mexican. Are you going to read what's in them?
I had 2 years of Spanish, and I can't even read this.
Well, you're not doing very good. You obviously didn't pay attention in class.
Yep.
Can you open a couple of those packages for me? This comes in, this kind too, but at the Publix over here, it didn't have it in the regular jar, so I got it in the packets.
Okay. So this is adobo seasoning, right?
That's adobo, yeah.
So it's got salt, garlic powder, sugar, spices, including turmeric, citric acid, silicon dioxide. Okay.
I don't know what silicone.
Oopsie.
Oh,
I
wow.
do. Silicon dioxide keeps these from caking,
Oh, okay.
especially here in Florida with the humidity.
Gotcha.
Some folks don't put it in. It just gets hard as a rock. You have to take a knife or a spoon and work it up. Here, this one's open.
Again,
Here.
because
I'll be the opener.
you're educated, you know that.
They teach you a few things as a hillbilly.
You do. All right. Can turn these over.
Sazon. Oh, you have to accentuate the
Thank
O.
you. I knew that it meant something because, like, if it has the little, like, the other line, it means that it's like a ah, and then that one means it's a o. Is that what it is? I remember that from school.
Are you going to start singing?
No, I just remember that from school. Like the thing is a ah, and that was a o. It's the only thing I learned from being in Arizona.
Do I need to open another one?
Please. I got 4 for a reason.
Okay.
I didn't pay a whole lot of attention, but I do remember that. They're all seasoned up from here, and then we're gonna make.
So I'm going to go turn the plow disc, get the hot oil on while you're finishing up, or are you done?
Well, this is done. We just have to make the actual. Oh, wait! Look, there's a little bit more. Then we have to make the sauce.
But you want me to fry them though before you dip them in
Yeah.
the sauce?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna put them in a bowl and like.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
need to get them fried first, right?
Right. Yeah.
And you know, last time I did a chicken video, I think I did. It wasn't the last time, but I did this. What are they called? Butter bath chicken thighs, right? I must have got 100 comments. Did you wash the chicken? No. Go read what the FDA says. Do not wash the chicken.
Okay, so I just read a whole thing on that too. Because I read your comments about the chicken
Yep.
being washed.
Yep.
I had never heard of washing chicken before. But
Well, apparently there's some part of the world that here in the United States, where they insist on washing chicken in the sink and getting the chicken germs all over their sink and their countertop because they don't believe that heat, or AKA fire, kills those germs. But anyway, let's don't get into that.
Then I read the thing about not washing chicken.
Yeah.
And the reason why. So, yeah, don't wash your chicken. It's supposedly really bad.
Yeah, listen to your government.
Yeah.
Okay, so I should go get the plow disc one?
You should get the plow disc going.
All right. I've got some peanut oil here. Just going to put, I don't know. I'll tell you here in a second how much I'm putting. This is a 32-ounce jar. I probably don't need it all, but I don't use a lot of peanut oil, so I'm going to put it all in there. So 32 ounces of peanut oil. Oil's up to about 300 degrees here. We're going to get in some of those chicken wings. Tami won't let me eat breading. She says it's not good for me. So you can see we're frying these straight up. I don't know what kind of seasoning this is she's put on there, but it sure smells good. All right, that's all of them. I'm just going to let these guys go a few minutes, you know, just like you fry anything else. It's been 10, 12, 13 minutes. Like I say, I didn't time it. But look at them. They've got getting this beautiful golden brown color. Look at that. I think they're done. I'm going to get them off here because Tammy's going to make that tequila lime sauce for these guys. I mean, just look at the color. Aren't these beautiful? So let me get them off. And then we'll turn this back over to her to make this dipping sauce. Or I guess it's not a dipping sauce. It's an actual wing sauce. Okay, so I got those wings fried up. Now, you have to do the hard part.
Okay. I don't think it's very hard, but...
It looks hard to me.
All right. So, it's pretty easy, actually. So, the first thing we did was we took some chilies. And there's a jalapeno. There's a green chili. And there is a... What's the other chili that we used?
I don't know what you put in there. I know you used a Hatch chili.
I used a Hatch chili. I used a jalapeno
Did you use a Pablano?
I used a Pablano chili, that's right.
Okay.
And then we put it in the food processor.
So one each?
One each, yeah.
Okay. And Hatch chilies are hard to get in some places, so they can just leave it out, or should they get 2 Pablanos?
Well, I mean, it's up to you. Whatever kind of chilies you want to use. I mean, I actually put 2 Hatch chilies in here because I think they're really tasty. But, I mean, whatever you want to use. I mean, it's up to you. I mean, some people like...
So 2 Hatch, 1 Pablano, and 1 jalapeno.
Yeah, I mean, but it's up to you. I mean, whatever you want to use. I mean, it's kind of just what makes you happy.
Okay, but if you can't get Hatch, I'm just asking, is Pablano a good substitute?
Yeah.
Because I don't know.
Well, Pablano's going to be spicier than Hatch, but I mean...
So what else? I mean, if I don't know, they may not know. What should...
You can get Pablano chilies, like, in a can. I mean, you can get Hatch chilies in a can, I mean.
Okay, I didn't know that. Hatch chilies in a can.
You can, like in the Mexican aisle.
Could you use a green bell pepper?
You could.
Okay.
You can use anything you want.
Okay.
I mean, just make it fun. 3 cloves of garlic, and this was already, done up, so just kind of, whatever. But 3 cloves of garlic is going to be about what you're going to use.
When do we get to drink the tequila?
We've been drinking it all day, so that's why we're a little slurly. Is that a word?
Why she's slurly?
Slurly. Okay, 1 cup of orange juice.
Whole cup?
Yeah, it's a whole cup.
Okay.
All right, so this is cilantro. I just kind of chopped it up. It's kind of like a handful. So maybe a half a cup. I love cilantro, by the way. So I'm going to use my fingers because it's just you eating it. So you don't care. Some people don't like cilantro. If you don't like it, just leave it out. Lime juice. If you're using fresh limes, it's going to be like 5 limes. If you're not using fresh limes, it's like a whole cup.
So a cup of lime juice.
All right. Brown sugar. This is like a half cup of brown sugar. So this is chili powder, and it is salt, and it's pepper. It is a half teaspoon of each. Are you impressed that I'm actually giving the exact amounts? I am.
I'm impressed because I'm confused about all the stuff.
And this is tequila.
This tequila, right?
Yeah, I love this.
Have you guys had this? How do you say that? Is it cenote?
Cenote.
I don't know. It's pretty good.
And it's okay. So
It's better than Patron. No offense, guys.
okay. So what kind of tequila is it? You have to. How do you say that? I just learned how.
What? 100% agave?
No, this right here.
Anejo?
Anejo.
Is that how you say it?
I don't think that's right. It's It's you gotta
Okay.
use that little thingy.
So if it's not right and you know how to say it, then why
No,
are you
I just
asking
learned
me?
how, but now I'm confused. I just learned how because I was told the other day because it's got that squiggly line.
Anejo.
But it
I
has
think
the
it's
squiggly line.
anejo.
But it's got the squiggly
Yeah,
line.
that's actually a tilde.
So it's on. It's on.
Okay. Let's get back.
Okay. And it's a half a cup
Of tequila.
of tequila.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, almost forgot. The agave. So the agave, blue agave. This is really important. And we're going to put. Let me try to get the right amount. I'm going to do a fourth a cup.
How much? Fourth?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're going to mix it all together.
We're going to mix it all together. Yeah.
And then do we have to heat it up in the plow disc
In the
or
plow
not?
disc, yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to toss the wings when it's hot?
Mhm.
Awesome. I get to play with fire again.
You like to play with fire?
Well, it makes me feel like I'm actually contributing.
Oh, that smells really good.
It does smell good.
I'm really excited about these.
Okay, so I had turned the plow disc off. I'm going to go turn it back on, and you can bring that over when you're ready.
Okay.
So I emptied all the oil out of this plow disc. We wiped it out. I've turned the heat down now. It's on about medium to medium low. Oh, wow, that smells good. And all I'm going to do, Tami tells me, is just simmer this a little bit, thicken it up, get it nice and sticky, and then we're going to toss those wings in this. I wish you had smell-o-vision. I just cannot tell you how good this smells.
It's been about 8 to 10 minutes, and the sauce is thickened up, so we're getting ready now to toss the wings in the sauce. They look so good.
They do look good.
That smells so good.
Okay, so I just need to stir them up,
Yep,
get the sauce over them. Then we're going to plate it, right?
yep.
So I'll plate these up for you. And then I guess we're going to give them a taste test, right?
Yep.
And then you've made a dipping sauce in addition to all of this?
I did.
All right, so we'll talk about that when we eat them over there,
And
okay?
a salad,
And a salad, yeah. Oh, yeah,
because you have to get your rough edge.
because I have to eat salad. Ugh. Okay, we've got the wings all plated up. Now, what are you going to do to them now?
I'm just going to finish them off. I got the same Pablano and green Hatch Chile and jalapeno mixture. I added some sour cream and some other spices, and we'll have that at the bottom of the description box.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm just going to...
As
make
long
them
as you
look pretty.
remember.
I'm going to remember.
Okay, because they know I don't remember.
I'm just going to make them look pretty, okay? So just going to make them look pretty. And this is kind of... Jeff did this for me, and I hope that I can do this, so kind of bear with me, okay? If it doesn't come out really good,
It's my fault if it doesn't come out good.
don't hold me accountable. Okay, I'm going to try this. So this is like, oh boy. Now it's like,
Yeah, that'll be good.
okay. Alrighty then. Well, we're just going to make that work because
Okay,
that's all
and then
I
you can
do.
put maybe some on the side so I can dip into it if I want.
Alright. How about if I just go right?
It's whatever you think.
You know, it's just going to have to be okay because I can't make it be any better than that.
Okay, Tammy's got these wings all dressed up. You go first. Ladies first.
Okay, I'll take this one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, great collar on them. I hope the camera picks it up. Really nice collar. Wing cheer.
Okay. Oh, it's so good.
That right there is a bunch of yum.
These are delicious.
These are beyond delicious.
They really are.
How did you learn to do this?
I don't know. I'm gifted.
You are. She is gifted. Okay.
These are so good.
These are like beyond yummy. You definitely, sorry,
They're all over me.
let me get us a napkin. Okay. I definitely get lime. I get a mild spice.
These are just so good. I love them.
They're delicious. This little, is that a sauce? That top thing, dipping sauce? It gives it just a very, very mild, kind of cool, creamy, like compliment to go with it. I get the lime for sure. I get some sort of, maybe that's the adobo I taste.
Yeah, you can taste the adobo.
I don't know that I can honestly say to folks I taste tequila.
I don't taste tequila at all. But
that tequila is really mild though.
but they're sweet and they're like savory at the same time.
They are. I will tell you this. Don't be getting a big head. Probably top 10 wing I've ever had. That's how good these are.
Only top 10? They should be in the top 5 at least.
Hey, thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber already, I hope you hit that subscribe button. Hit there. There's a bell. And if you click that bell, you'll be notified of all of our new videos.